My name is Madison Bowe, and I am a rare disease patient advocate, and I have stiff person syndrome along with other things. I may have myasthenia gravis as well as I have gastroparesis. For my capstone project, I chose the National Advisory Committee on Individuals with Disabilities and Disasters. And I chose that because I wanted to pick something that resonated with me and myself. And for me, it was a broken down system in emergency services that was very personal for me, getting my diagnosis, as well as I came in as a former emergency services student, and I have a really big connection with the disabled community as well as I love disaster management and understanding about it and just learning about it. But I want to give the patients a voice. This is something that I'm very passionate about in all aspects of emergency medicine, as well as any kind of medicine, really. But this was something that I gravitated towards. One of the ones I gravitated towards. I had a really hard time picking one. And this is a long-term goal. This isn't something that will happen overnight because it's one that will take some time. But I'm happy to be starting on the journey. I decided to apply to the Yard Leadership Academy because I thought about a lot of the different things with my RDLA mentor, who is a previous graduate. I had been thinking about the CDMRP with her, as well as I was wondering about PCORI at one point and different things. And I really wanted to know more about where it was that these things were going and intertwining and how I could be of assistance or help. And then also like the huge networking opportunities that were going to come of it. She was really pushing for the networking to be like, that should be something that you really focus on. And I feel like every class, I wanted to go in there with the approach of this could be a potential employee, this could be a potential employer, this could be a potential opportunity to shine, and just really ask the questions that I want to ask and just be present in something that makes me happy, because rare disease advocacy has given me a voice, it has given me power, and it has given me a sense of who I am and where I'm at in my life. I remember when I did my first Rare Across America, I came out of it feeling like an EMS provider again. I said that like multiple times to myself. And it seems like nothing. Why would somebody feel like that? But I did, because I felt empowered. My biggest takeaway from the Yard Leadership Academy experience would probably be the amount of resources and the amount of material that we were provided. I'm kind of promising myself that I'm going to even go back through it later on just to analyze it and remember everything that I need to be able to apply for these different programs. I think I'm most excited to just start making these connections and to build upon my network. I know that people at Every Life have volunteered their own connections to be able to help me reach my ultimate goal. And that's something that's very powerful and promising, and I love that, and I want to do that. I am really excited about being able to utilize the things that I have been taught and use them in real-time practice when I do apply for different programs. It's something that I look forward to and really do hope that the knowledge I have received gives a reliance to the evidence that I was really present in class. I think other young adults should apply to the Yard Leadership Academy because if you have a passion for advocacy, that's exactly where you need to be. To be able to gain extensive knowledge about all the topics was incredible. Being able to network with other individuals who have not only rare diseases, but also experts on PCORI, CDMRP, financial policy. The topics go on and on and on. And these are people working in rare disease in the industry, trying to make the industry better, trying to make the system better. And you're talking to them in real time. What's next for me is I have a letter on and cover letter on the last step before the governor for the Nevada Art Act. So hopefully in about 2 more months, I'll be on the Art Act. I want to apply for CDMRP, and so that's something that I would like to work with my mentor on. I am a running list person, so I have a lot of things that I want to do, but the one thing that's really on my priority list is to get in contact with some of the experts that I have been able to reach out to and connect